Are you struggling to find the best credit card with a low Cibil score without needing to put down a fixed deposit? If so, you are in the right place. Today, we will explore some excellent options that can help you get the credit you need. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. Before we jump into the credit cards, let's talk about Cibil. Cibil is a credit score that shows how well you manage your money. A low score can make it hard to get loans or credit cards, but don't worry, there are still options out there for you. Now, let's look at some credit cards that are friendly for those with a low Cibil score. 1. Basic credit cards. Many banks offer basic credit cards that don't require a high score. These cards usually come with fewer benefits but are great for building credit. 2. Secured credit cards. If you can't find an unsecured card, a secured credit card might be a good choice. You will have to put down a deposit, but it helps you build your score over time. 3. Student credit cards. If you're a student, some banks offer cards designed just for you. These cards often have lower requirements, making it easier to get approved. 4. Retail store credit cards. Many stores offer credit cards that can be easier to get. These cards can only be used at the specific store, but they can help improve your score. 5. Credit union cards. Credit unions are member-owned and might have more flexible rules when it comes to credit scores. Joining one could give you access to better credit card options. Choosing the right credit card is important. Here are some things to keep in mind. 1. Annual fees. Some cards have yearly fees. Make sure to check if the benefits of the card are worth the cost. 2. Interest rates. Look at the interest rates on the card. A lower rate can save you money if you ever carry a balance. 3. Rewards. Some credit cards offer rewards like cash back or points. These can add value if you use the card often. 4. Credit limit. Check the credit limit you might get. A higher limit can be useful, but make sure you can manage it. 5. Customer service. Good customer service is key. You want a bank that is easy to reach and helpful when you have questions. Once you get a credit card, it's time to focus on improving your Cibil score. Here are some tips. 1. Pay your bills on time. Always pay your credit card bill on time. Late payments can hurt your score. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Try to use less than 30% of your credit limit. This shows you can manage your credit well. 3. Check your credit report. Regularly check your credit report for errors. If you find mistakes, report them to get them fixed. 4. Don't apply for too many cards. Applying for many cards at once can hurt your score. Be selective with your applications. 5. Use your card wisely. Make small purchases and pay them off each month. This builds a positive credit history. Finding the best credit card for a low Cibil score without a fixed deposit is possible.